Hydrogen-fueled helicopters are revolutionizing the aviation industry, offering an eco-friendly alternative with zero emissions. Unlike traditional helicopters, these new designs utilize hydrogen fuel cells, which produce only water vapor as a byproduct. This sustainable power source not only reduces the carbon footprint, but also extends flight times due to higher energy density. Leading the charge is Airbus, which has begun testing these helicopters vigorously. With the potential to transform both civilian and military aviation sectors, hydrogen-fueled helicopters are paving the way for a cleaner, quieter sky.